time to rest. Our warriors have engaged. Which way?
Eh ka muna, eh.
I wish only to serve.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Ay, nasakit. Ay, di ako nakapag-BKB. Ano ba't di ako nakapag-BKB daw? Ay, hindi ko na BKB yan yung BKB BM. Puputik. Sana kala ko nakapag-BM na ako dun ah. Hindi. Ay, be. Saan ba yung Jakarta? Ay. May talent din nga pala yun. Oo nga pala, tayo nakala ko di kailangan natin mapatay ito. Jacker muna ako. Sino nire-roll ka niya, boss? Si Ben. Oh my Ben. Buyout na lang kailangan natin. Puro level 25 pa, Brad. Our game, boss. Close fight niya yung second game natin. Jakarta. Jakarta no.
Our allies' town is lost.
Sana may ward pa dito, putik.
Our allies' town needs help.
Talo pa kami, boss.
Unstoppable.
GG pa. 100 yating sa amin, boss. Viper, yung Jaro.
Our allies' town needs help.
Ay, gagawin ko di. Nga daw katulad kayo sa pres. Tayo na utras. Tayo na doon. Gagawin ng trust ako. Nagpa-drop pa yung Mortred. Di ko lang bakit di full screen yung ano. Try natin mag-restart ng RGC boss para masubok natin. Host na, boss. Pag na-report, wait mo na lang yung ban, boss. Pag ganun. Wala na BKB Beno. Di lang ako di pa ako nagbayad. Lagi akong ubos sa pera.
Our allies' town needs help.
Ay, gago, di pa tapos to, tol. Di pa tapos yung Brad. Walang bayad yung Beno. Gago, tinapos yung Jagger. Tinapos ng Jagger. Wait mo na lang yan, boss, kasi napital ka eh. Parang kit na rin kasi sa ano yun. Sa... Tingnan natin bet niya na. Okay, 1 win na siya. 1 win. Tsaka yung bonus na sa Windsor. 4 pa, boss. Kayang-kayang. Palag-palag. GG. Crit tayo. Pwede ako mag-crit dito, ha. Wait lang, boss. Tingnan natin kung... Ang lag kasi ng... Dot Dope! Happy birthday, Dot Dope! Shoutout sa tropa kong si Dot Dot. Happy birthday. Pinakamalas mag-rap dito sa amin yan si Dot Dope. Dot Dope. Ano kayang standing sa live? Sa mga gusto mag-agent dyan, boss, ha? Or gusto maglaro sa Winsir, nasa pin comment yung link. Pag gusto mo naman mag-agent, PM lang kayo sa page, boss, para magawan ko kayo ng agent account. Tayo na 0-3, yung race. Gagi, 7 ano na, patay. Ito, nakaka-race kami dito eh. Patay. Tara, create tayo.
The game has
game.
just been hosted.
Dito, pag hindi pa naka full screen to, maalas na. More win to come. More win. Ayun, natatalo yung isa. Natatalo yung isang account. Ay, isang team. Ay, hindi talaga full screen. Wait lang, wait. Mas mabilis na sa Sinus bossing, hindi na pwede sa... Hindi ko naman nangyari dito sa War 3 ko. Pero di naka full screen ngayon.
Initiating shutdown sequence.
Wait tayo, boss, ah. Di ko alam bakit di nag-pulse rin yung War 3 ko ngayon, eh. Wala naman akong iniba sa settings.
Welcome.
Sana wala talaga, Brad. Wait lang, open na. Paltayin ko lang tong ano natin. Ano, lit? Wait lang, ah. Iniiba ko yung settings ko, eh. Hindi nagpo-full screen. Baka dahil sa live, ano na to? Sa OBS Studio. Sige, okay na yan. Dahil sa OBS Studio siguro yun. Kasalanan ng OBS Studio yan. Okay na tayo dyan. Yung sa dati na lang. Sa-sign muna tayo. Magsa-sign tayo. Para mas okay. Sign tayo, Boss Charles. Okay. Game. Bukas, try ko nga ulit. Baka
The game has just been hosted.
spam lang tayo, eh. Ready. Tingnan ko nga yung bet natin dun sa Windsor. May bonus dito, eh. Ano ko sa... Oo nga, sarili kami nakabet. Si Boss Kenneth. Wait lang natin may start yung laro namin, boss. Lima pa lang kami doon, no? Three zero yung 7 pa naman. Tayo na, ito lang problema namin. Yung race. Agoy! Alat! Tara, ready lang kayo dyan. Ready lang. Boss Charles, mag-ready ka na. Di ka naka-ready dito, boss. Oh. Mira na ka, boss? Okay, sige, boss. Sabi mo, eh. Matik yan, boss. Bing. Bah, nandito si... Ano, ah? Si Bren, ah. Ayun yan. Ano yun? Patingin lang, sakit. Lagi akong altab ng altab, ah. Hello. Ano yung napindot ko?
The game is starting.
Yun, start na boss. Huwag muna tayo mag-altab niyan kasi mapipital na tayo. Buti pa sa Winston na.
Game started.
Pabot ako, pabot. Mirana carry nga tayo para iba. Para ibang trip. Dapat para SK ako, no? Ay, gago, binan yung Mirana, oh. Tayo mga viewers tayo, nanonood eh. Binan yung Mirana natin, boss. Dapat pala di natin sinabi na Mirana carry tayo. Binan ng nandito sa tatlo, 1, 2, 3. Yung slot 6, 7, 8, boss. Sila yung nagban dyan. Tsaka 9 kasi Tagalog din yung slot 9 eh. Iba na lang, boss Bing. Wala, binan Mirana, boss eh. KJ sila. Okay po. Sabot ako, sabot. Pakalong Darkseer na niya, eh, no? Baka nagpa-practice ng Darkseer yan, boss.
Insufficient gold.
My song is yours.
Tinker, may mid na kami. Si Boss Charles yung mid namin. Nagpapak ka ba, Boss Charles? Nagpapak ka ba? Siyempre, nagpapak yan.
Hey, sailor.
Matik.
Don't be afraid.
Babae, eh.
Hey,
Nandito na naman, oh.
don't be afraid. I'm waiting with bated breath. I'm hooked. Ashwanathari.
Imagine na, hindi natin alam yan, boss.
Ashwanathari.
Pag naka-bisel tsaka ano na yan, blink-blink balik na lang yan, eh. Balik-blink na lang yan, boss, pag ganyan. Pag ganyan yung ano niya. Okay na sana yung Spectre ko kanina eh.
Done.
Pa ninja na tayo.
Ashwanathari. On my way.
Kaso wala.
Ashwanathari. On
Ewan
my
ko ba ba't kami natalo to?
Don't be afraid. Done. I'm hooked. Die, land of water. Done. By land
La.
or sea. My song is yours.
Gago. Ano yun?
Hey, sailor.
Yung anti-mage pumunta dun sa ano para mag-creep. Ayan, mag-i-end siya.
My song is yours. By land or sea. Ashwanathari. Hey, sailor. I'm hooked. My song is yours. I'm waiting with bated breath. Done. On my way. Done. By land or sea. Ashwanathari. I'm hooked. By land or sea. The tide turns. Ashwanathari. I'm hooked. Done. I'm hooked. By land or sea. Done.
First blood.
Done. Don't be afraid. Ashwanathari. My song is yours. I'm hooked. This is for you.
Welcome to our village.
By land or sea. On my way.
Pero pag ako nakauna item dito, boss, alam mo na. Tago-tago na sila.
I'm waiting with bated breath.
Hello.
My song is
Insufficient
yours.
gold.
Ashwanathari. I'm hooked. Done. By land or sea. Done.
Our
Ashwanathari.
warriors have engaged.
Tinatay courier ko, gago.
By land or sea.
Ba't andun yun?
I'm hooked. On my way.
Siguro yun.
Done. On my way. I'm hooked. Ashvalamathar, this is for you, chum. By land or sea, on my way. Die, land
Ang
walker.
gana nangyayari. May
Ashvalamathar,
crystal.
I'm hooked. On my way. Ashvalamathar, this is for you, chum. Done. On my way. Ashvalamathar.
Balita boss, nalulugi yung Ray, bossing. 3-0 ata sila, bossing. Ano ko lang, boss Kenneth. Kakatingin ko lang bago ako maglaro dito, boss. Tinitignan ko kanina sa live, boss, yung bet. Hindi nga makascore yung race, boss, pero yung apat ko, ayos na sana eh. Angat-angat na eh. Apat ay yung tatlo, boss. Angat-angat na sila. Ahead na ahead nga, boss. Ako nga kita. Ba't yun, boss? Uy, si Rena. Uy, share si Boss Kelvin. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat, boss, ha? Sa mga bago dyan, boss, comment lang kayo ng exclamation notify.
This is for you, chum.
Our allies' town needs help.
On my way. Don't be afraid. Hey, sailor. I'm waiting with bated breath. Hey, sailor.
Our warriors have engaged.
My son is yours. I'm waiting with bated breath. The tide turns. Hey, sailor. My son is yours. On my way.
Level 5 lang ako.
By land or sea. Done. Ashvalamathar. Done. By land or sea. Done.
Oh, boss, diffusean natin to.
Bated breath. Ashvalamathar. Hey, sailor. Done. By land or sea. This is for you, chum. Die, land walker. The tide turns. I'm hooked. I'm waiting with bated breath. Hey, sailor.
Yung Puro, no?
Don't be afraid.
Kumukuha ng...
Done. Ashvalamathar.
Nagkaano ng creeps, kala nyo.
By land
Wala ni
or
sa akin.
sea. Hey, sailor. I'm waiting with bated breath. I'm hooked. Hey, sailor. Don't be afraid. On my way. Ashvalamathar.
Gawa na siya.
Bated breath. My soul is yours. Done. I'm
Our
hooked.
warriors have engaged the enemy.
KJ mo naman, tol. Kinuha mo lahat yung gold.
The tide
Alam ko round 7 na kanina yun, boss. Pagkatingin ko, boss, Kenneth yung sa akin.
by land or sea. On my way. I'm hooked. This is for you,
Our allies' town needs help.
Ashvalamathar. On my way. Ashvalamathar. I'm hooked. By land or sea. Done. My soul is yours. I'm waiting.
Our allies' town. Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
My soul is yours. Hey, sailor. Don't be afraid, sailor. On my way. My soul is yours. Ashvalamathar. Done. By Ashara. Ashvalamathar. On my way. The tide turns. Ashvalamathar. On my way. I'm hooked. On my way. Ashvalamathar. Done. Ashvalamathar. By land or sea. I'm waiting with bated breath. On my way. This is for you, chum. By land or sea. On my way. I'm hooked. On my way.
Greetings, my lord.
Hey, sailor. By land or sea. My song is yours.
Hello.
Hey, sailor. By land or sea. I'm hooked.
Our allies' town needs
My
help.
song is yours. Hey, sailor.
Gusto ba Jackero ngayon? Jackero yung laging ano natin ngayon, ha?
This is for you, chum.
Sana makagawa.
Our allies' town is help.
Ah, sila boss? Oo, para happy. Yun na lang hinihintay na ano boss eh, yung race na lang. Yung rain na lang.
On my way. Ashfall,
Our allies' town needs help.
land or sea.
Nakabakaler lang pala yun. Pero ba't ang taas ng level na ito?
I helped. Ashfall, I helped.
Our allies' town needs help.
I helped. On my way. Done. Baby. Hey, sailor. On my way. My son is yours. My son is yours. Different. Hey, sailor. By land or sea. Done. On my way. Don't be afraid. By land or sea. On my way. Ashfalathare. Done. My song is yours. Ashfalathare. A sailor. On my way. I'm hooked. By land or
Our
sea.
allies' town needs
This is
help.
for you. Ashfalathare. This is for you.
Kanina ang
chum.
bagal ng item ko eh. Pero ngayon okay na siguro to.
My song is yours. Tired turns. On my way. I'm hooked. By land or sea. Die, land walker. My song is yours. This is for you.
Welcome to our village.
By land or sea. Ashfalathare.
Oo nga boss eh. Hindi ko alam dahil sa off studio siguro to. Dahil sa off studio siguro to bossing.